Hello.
Hi, Akanksha.
Yeah, sir.
Can you please come down to my home?
Yes, I can come.
Yeah,
But can you tell me the way, please?
yeah. You need to come down to 32 West, 21st
Just a second,
Street.
just a second. Please hold on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, can you please tell me now?
32 West, 21st Street, New York. Give me a call once you are here.
All right, I'll be there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank God I had a call recorder app.
Subscribe and press bell icon and never miss another update from Tweak Library.
Hi everyone. Welcome to Tweak Library. I'm Akanksha and I'll be telling you today some of the best call recorder apps for your Android phone. These apps help in recording your important conversation which you can use tomorrow for various purposes. But before that, make some extra space in your phone using Cleaner for Android, of whose link is present below. And after this, download any of the call recorder apps which we are discussing quickly. On number 1, we have Automatic Call Recorder. It can easily integrate with Google Drive and Dropbox to sync recordings to the cloud. Customize inbox according to your requirements. And it can automatically save calls on cloud with Pro version. On number 2, we have All Call Recorder. It saves your telephone conversation in 3GB format. Send recorded calls via email, any cloud storage, messengers, Bluetooth, etc. Long press recorded file for sharing and delete options. Next is Truecaller. It can block a phone number by number series and its name, backup call history, messages, contacts, and other settings to Google Drive using Truecaller. Next we have Call Recorder ACR. It can sync the recorded files to Google Drive or Dropbox. Provides password protection to keep recordings secure. Exclude any number you don't wish to record. On number 5, we have Cube Call Recorder ACR. You can secure your call recordings with a pin lock. Select specific contacts for automatic call recording. Save recording on Google Drive and restore them anytime. Number 6 is Call Recorder Automatic. It allows setting password to keep your recorded files secure. Save the recorded audio files to the cloud. Number 7, we have Note Call Recorder. Reject the calls, add a phone number to the blacklist or block a call. Sync recorded files to Dropbox, Google Drive alongside encryption. Shows last week or last month's stats with intuitive charts. Number 8 is RMC Call Recorder. It enables you to keep the call recording in 2 folders, important and unsorted. Automatic filter allows you to sort call recordings according to known and unknown numbers, chosen contacts, etc. Number 9 is Call Recorder S9. The audio quality of the MP3 is crystal clear. Choose calls to be recorded with recording filter. Shake device to start recording with the premium version. And last, we have Call Recorder by Recorder and Smart Apps. It can organize, listen, add notes, and share your call recording from the cloud. Exclude the calls that you don't want to record. Mark recordings as important and save them separately. That's all folks. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Bye bye.